Hi everybody, my name is Hannah and this is Pepper and Pine, and today I have a super simple yet kind of unusual salad recipe to share with you. Now, I got this recipe from a friend of mine. She was staying with me recently and she made this salad every single day and it was phenomenal, so I am really happy to share this recipe with you. We're going to start with a ripe avocado, and you're going to remove the seed by just tapping it with your knife and twisting it out. Next, we're going to score the avocado both ways, and this is basically going to cut your avocado for you right in the skin. It's super simple, and I'm sure you've done this before. Then it's super easy to scoop your avocado out into a large bowl. Next, we're going to peel a mango. These are yellow mangoes, but you could use the red ones with a little bit of green. And I am going to cut the mango with the seed still inside by going one way across the seed and then another way. And then you're just going to slide your knife right next to that seed and it all pops right out. Do be careful when you do this. You don't want to slip the knife and accidentally cut yourself. And then I'm just going to squeeze a little bit of the juice out here to add to the salad dressing. Next, we're going to slice a red onion. I have maybe less than a quarter of a really large red onion, so you can go a little bit less or a little bit more. Next, we're going to slice a number of small cherry or grape tomatoes, and we're going to toss those into the salad. You can see how beautiful those colors are looking now. Then we're going to take a small piece of cucumber, or you can use a single Persian cucumber. We want to slice them up nice and small and toss that into the salad as well. Next, we're going to use about 5 dates, and we're just going to slice them into small, tiny bite-sized pieces. You just want to remove the seed, and you want to make sure that the date is good. On occasion, you might find little critters in there, so you just want to make sure that there isn't anything in your date. So we're just going to slice them up into small pieces and toss those into the salad as well. You can already see that there's quite a variety of things in this salad. It is super delicious and you could stop there, but I recommend adding one more thing. Now, my friend did not use these kiwis in her salad, but I happened to pick them up recently and I thought that they would be a perfect addition. These are the golden kiwis, and they have a sweeter, less tart taste than regular kiwis, and I thought that it would pair nicely with the flavors of the salad. Next, we want to start on our dressing, and I am going to squeeze half a lemon into a dish so that I can remove the seeds. You can also do a lime instead, and you can actually use the whole lemon if you'd like. Next, we're going to season with a little bit of salt and some olive oil. And the last seasoning is cayenne pepper, and you can just go as easy or as heavy as you'd like. The last thing we want to do is add some walnuts, and I'm adding about 1/3 cup of walnuts. Next, we want to toss this salad. Now, this is a small salad, enough for 1 or 2 people, so again, highly recommend that you double or triple this recipe. You will not be disappointed. The last thing you want to do is just kind of let it sit and marinate for a little bit. It tastes really good right after you make it, but it tastes even better the longer you let it sit. And this is one salad that tastes better even when it's been in the refrigerator all night. You don't have to worry about any wilted lettuce leaves. This has become one of my new favorite salad recipes, and I do hope that you'll try it out. And if you do, please share with me how it turned out. If you want to see some of my other cooking tutorials on my channel, I have left a complete playlist here for you to check out. And if you want to see what we are up to on a daily basis, don't forget that you can find me on Instagram at Pepper and Pine.